How to deploy Bolt.new website on Netlify. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to Bolt.new, and from in there you should be able to see in here their site. So you should be able to see in here as well as sign in or sign up form. So from in there, just head over and then sign up for an account if you don't have one yet. However, if you already have one, just proceed to sign in. As you have noticed on my case, I've already signed in, and here is the website that I have created. So I have created it using a prompt, and here is our actual site. So onto this case, first thing we need to do is to just initiate the deployment once you have created your website. So onto this case, you can see the publish option. Proceed to click on this, click on publish. Then after that, this will send this particular prompt into the chat box, which is the publish this application prompt. This will prompt the Bolt site to publish your site, and it will take a moment. You can see right here this, it's updating and publishing your project, noted by this loading icon. Once this loading icon is done, you should be able to get right here a Netlify URL, which can be our preferred hosting provider. So for this case, just proceed to wait for this for a few moments. However, once you're in this case, you can also add a custom domain by clicking onto this. You can either buy a new domain or add a domain that you already own. So for this case, just wait for this to finish the loading and just confirm the deployment action for Netlify in order to get the actual URL for this particular preview. Don't worry because you just need to click on buttons because Bolt.new will handle the build and deployment process to Netlify. It's just as simple as that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need. Thank you so much for watching.